What's up, savers? I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Summer is in full effect, and I'm here for it. I say bring on the heat and the humidity. And what better way to celebrate summer than with some grilling? So fire up the grill, because we are making grilled chicken with chimichurri sauce. All right, savers, so we're gonna work in two phases. One with the chicken and the second with the chimichurri sauce. The first thing you wanna do is grab a bowl and put your chicken in this bowl. Please wash your chicken. I've seen too many of you on Instagram not washing chicken before you cook your meals. That is a no-no, okay? So I've washed the chicken and I've dried it with some paper towels. Now I'm going to put some seasonings and a little bit of olive oil because I'm gonna put this in the fridge. It's really important, if you can, to marinate your chicken. It's gonna make it more flavorful and more tender. I'm a big fan of doing that if you can. I just have some regular black pepper. So I'm gonna grind that. And then make sure you get both sides. It's important too. And then good old sea salt, y'all. Now, typically I would try to marinate chicken or fish overnight, but I've been busy, y'all. I just didn't have the time, and I was so late with thawing out my chicken, so it is what it is. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. All you need is about like 1 to 2 tablespoons. Use your hands, as I always say, it's the best utensil that you can use in the kitchen. And just rub the olive oil, black pepper, and sea salt to the chicken. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. If you have more time, I suggest putting it in there longer so it gets even more flavorful and juicy. But 15 to 30 minutes should be fine for anyone. I'll be right back so we can make the chimichurri sauce. All right, so we're letting our chicken marinate and we're gonna be working on our chimichurri sauce, y'all. I am such a big fan of this. Number 1, because it's super simple. 2, because it's really green. Green is my favorite color. And the fact that it's so fresh, we're using some amazing ingredients. The first thing you wanna do is go in with your food processor. If you don't have one, you can use a blender with a pulsating setting on it. I'm taking some onions. I am not a big fan of onions, y'all, so I'm not using too much. And I'm also not chopping them up in like small pieces because the food processor will do that. And then I'm gonna go in on the garlic. I love all things garlic. If you don't worry, I'll give you recommended measurements, but I love me some garlic, so bam. I'm gonna take the lid and I'm just gonna pulse this so they're like nicely chopped. Perfect. This thing is awesome. Funny story. So I actually purchased this from Amazon like last year, and during quarantine, I was cleaning out my kitchen and I saw this in its package. I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't opened it. So I opened it in April and I've been using it ever since. I know, that's crazy. That's why I've been told by my friends I cannot buy any more kitchen gadgets until I open up all the Amazon boxes in my house. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our leaves. I am using Italian parsley. If you don't have Italian parsley, go ahead and use curly parsley. I mean, it's all like the same, right? And I know it's super hard to find things at the grocery store. Like, I've been struggling with that. So as I say, work with what you got. It's gonna be fine. Then we're gonna go in on the cilantro. I love cilantro. The taste, the smell, everything about it is amazing. So I put a little extra cilantro in there. And we're gonna chop this up as well. Wiper motion. All right, now we're cooking. Let me show you what this looks like. Perfection. Look at that, y'all. This is the stuff that makes me excited. So now we're gonna gonna continue on with our chimichurri sauce. I'm gonna take some olive oil, good old olive oil, y'all. Makes everything better. And some lime juice. Whoop. I'm gonna go and mix it a little more. I just want all the mixtures that we already have to mix well with our lime juice and our olive oil. Perfect, that's more than enough. Now, it's time to grate the lemon. Let me grab mine. Bam. I like to see a lot of color on my plate in the summertime. I mean, we have so many fresh fruit and vegetables available to us, so seeing a colorful plate is one of my favorite things about summer. The lemon zest is gonna add just that nice zesty flavor, lemony flavor, which I love, but also gonna give us a nice rich dimension to this sauce. You can skip this step, but I recommend zesting a lemon or two. Now it's all about the flavor, okay, because I love greens, but you gotta add some flavor to them. So good old sea salt. Put some in there. Some black pepper. I'm gonna add these the crushed red pepper. This is also gonna give a nice little color, a pop of color. Bam. And a little bit of cayenne pepper. I cannot take spicy food, so I'm gonna be mindful of how, oh, I forgot. I just bought this, y'all. Take off. There we go. Problem solved. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Here we go. And for some smokiness, I'm gonna add a touch of smoked paprika. Just a little bit. All right. We're gonna keep blending this in the processor. And guys, we are done. That's all it took. Let me show you how gorgeous this is. Wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. I'm gonna grab our chicken so we can start grilling it. All right, y'all, so I took the chicken out of the fridge. Look at it, perfect, beautiful, ready for the grill. I put on my indoor grill. If y'all have been watching me on IGTV, you know I'm obsessed with this grill. It's by Philips. It's the smokeless indoor grill, virtually smokeless indoor grill. It is amazing. I'm telling you, it's worth every penny, okay? I do not feel bad about buying this. Yes, I know I love my kitchen gadgets, but it was worth it. And I got it on sale. I will give you more information about this and my food processor for the post I'm gonna put on my website so you can get some more information and find where you can get your hands on a bad boy like this. We're about to grill, y'all. And I just wanna say also, if you don't have a grill, that does not mean you cannot enjoy this recipe. In my, on my website, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to bake your chicken. So if you want to do this but you don't have a grill, you can still enjoy chicken chimichurri. All right, so I'm just gonna grab the chicken. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Tell me I'm not a grill master, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these on the grill and let each side cook for a couple of minutes. This is why I love my kitchen gadgets. This makes me so happy. So what I'm gonna do is let them grill for a little bit. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you what they look like, flip them over, and then we'll eat. I'm about to turn the chicken, but let me just show you the perfection that it is. Look at this. I mean, it really is giving me grill marks. It's giving me summer vibes indoors, perfect for the quarantine season. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook the other side for a few more minutes. Then I'm gonna top it with some chimichurri sauce. All right, savorers, our chicken is done. This is what makes me happy. Food, okay? Good food. Look at my chickadees, children. Bam. Gonna just pick the rest up. So, I'm sorry, I just love food. I'm going to get a spoon. I still have my chimichurri sauce in the food processor. I'll put this in one of my glass containers in a little bit and keep it in the refrigerator. I'm just going to take my chicken, you know, give it a little artistic flair. Bam. I'll get close up in a minute. Give me 1 second. Just to decorate these chickens. Ooh. Guys, and that's it. Literally, that's all you have to do to make some delicious grilled chicken with chimichurri sauce. Now it's time to eat. I have been waiting for this all day. I'm starving. So sorry to eat in front of you, / not sorry. Ooh. The chicken is so juicy and tender. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfection. Woo. That sauce has that rich flavor from the garlic and the spices. Y'all, this is a moment. This right here is my jam. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh wait, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, you know where to go. My website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list, for the measurements, and step-by-step instructions. Again, if you don't have an indoor grill or a grill at all, you can still enjoy this meal. I'm going to give you tips and tricks and instructions on how to bake your chicken and still get this amazing, amazing recipe. And I didn't forget, all the equipment I use, my food processor and my smokeless indoor grill, I will give information where you can find it, how you get your hands on these amazing products. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. As always, stay safe and happy savoring.